What do you say to your audience?
Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you? You don't want to sing the ABCs?
Oh, I sang it already.
I know you did. Does Jason want to sing the ABCs?
No, now I'm going to do Little Bunny Foo-Foo.
Little Bunny Foo-Foo. That's a great song. So what's the name of your band?
It's the Carolina Hurricanes.
The Carolina Hurricanes Band. That's good. And who's your guitar teacher?
And let's go again. Let's go.
Coldplay?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? That's who you take lessons from? Coldplay. Who's your favorite band? Coldplay? Yeah.
Let's go, Ethan. Let's go.
Let's go, Ethan. Let's go. Keep going.
W-X-I-N-C.
No, he's not. He's doing good. Now I know my... Come on, keep going. No more? Okay, say thank you very much.
No.
No? Say have a nice day?
No.
Say I love you, Mommy?
No. I love you, Mama.
I love you, baby.
All right. A 1, a 2, a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, let's get ready for school.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.